Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1992 Chevy 454 SS. It's a regular cab short box. I think all of them are built that way. And it's got Randy here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Randy?
Good, good. I got it from the second owner. It has 52,000 original miles on it, and it's all documented through the Carfax. You can see it goes up a little bit each year. The guy didn't really drive it as a daily driver. You know, he had it. And it's never been in the snow and the rain. It's not rotted. You know,
Yeah.
A lot of these trucks from New York are really rusty, but this one is clean as a whistle. The bottoms of the doors aren't rotted. The chassis is clean. It does have the previous owner put a Cowl induction hood and a roll pan on it, so that's not factory.
Looks good though, the roll pan in the back.
Was resprayed.
Okay.
When they put the body parts on. You know?
Good.
We did 4 brand new tires on it. We did a custom exhaust system on it. The truck is mechanically all stock. The motor is all original. The exhaust was upgraded. It was really quiet and didn't sound good for a big block, you know.
Sure, of
So
course.
I had my exhaust guy did a full Mandrel bent, beautiful 2.5-inch system with an X pipe and Flowmaster mufflers and new tailpipes. Everything from the manifolds all the way back is brand new.
Wow.
And it's a really, really super high quality Mandrel bent system. It was almost $2,000.
This Cowl hood looks great.
Yeah, isn't that cool? And it's a steel hood and a steel roll pan. There's no fiberglass.
Good.
So it's a nice, you know, real deal steel metal hood, you know, and the same thing with the roll pan.
It almost looks like it should have been that way through the factory, you know?
Yeah, it looks cool. And the interior is all 100% original. It even has the original floor mats in it still.
Wow. These are really getting harder and harder to find with low miles.
Yeah. Yeah, we had the windows tinted, so you know, it looked nice.
Love it.
But the motor has not been played with. It's completely stock. When I bought it, I didn't like the way it shifted. I sent it to the transmission shop. They completely went through the 4L80E overdrive tranny. Completely went through the tranny. It's all brand new with a brand new torque converter, and it's still covered under warranty. We just had that done. $2,000 was spent on the tranny.
Oh, fantastic.
The interior is all original, and it's in nice shape. You know, it's not torn up.
Love it. 52,505 miles. Awesome. All original in here.
There's the original radio in it.
Wow. Dash is in great shape.
Yeah, the headline is not falling. The dash isn't cracked. It's pretty nice. I took care of it. Who had it?
It's beautiful, bro. It's probably one of the nicest ones I've seen.
Can you fire it up? Sure. Yeah, that exhaust sounds really nice, doesn't it?
There she is, 454. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. All stock over there, huh?
We did a full tune-up on it, plugs, wires, distributor, cap and rotor. You know, we did a full tune-up on a new belt. Just went over it. The guy didn't drive it on it.
Yeah. What kind of mufflers?
Flowmaster. It's 32 now right now. When it warms up, it idles down. It sounds really good.
Sounds great.
It's full start, high idling right now.
Yep.
Take me for a quick ride?
Yeah, let's go. Man, this thing is clean.
Isn't it cool?
Love it. this. What a difference. Yeah, it just wants to break the tires loose.
Yeah. Let's talk about some tires so I can off.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com.